A drug used in clinical trials for advanced stage melanoma is now in short supply, and what's left of that medication actually expires tonight. Meanwhile, the drug company says it is not planning to produce any more. Health reporter Haley Hernandez explains the impact it's having on patients who've been taking the drug.
Hang out up here sometimes and play music. It's really nice.
Walking on his community college campus, Josh Oleksiak is focused on school, studying business management. He can't help but think what the future will bring.
It's a little scary.
At 16, Josh discovered a mole on his head. It was melanoma. The teenager has endured surgeries and several different treatments.
Stage 4 melanoma, which means that it's in your internal organs, and I currently have some spots on my lungs and liver that they're looking at.
Treatments were hard with painful side effects.
There comes a time when you decide quality of life versus treatment, and so we came off of that treatment. From there, that's when this clinical trial was available for him.
Josh has been part of a clinical trial since October of 2015. He takes 3 different drugs, 2 that are FDA approved, a 3rd that's investigational.
To be on what I'm on now is kind of a blessing for me to be able to feel as good as I do right now.
For 9 people in the trial, their tumors did not grow. It's unclear if it's the investigational drug or the combination of the other 2 that stopped tumor growth, but that doesn't matter to Josh's mom.
He's felt the best he's felt since all of this has happened. He is able to go away to school, living life.
They've basically stopped the cancer in their tracks.
But the clinical trial has to stop because the investigational drug is no longer produced by Novartis, and any existing supply has expired. Patients can still take the 2 FDA-approved drugs, something Josh has already tried.
Being on those 2 pills, the cancer had actually gone to my brain. So wondering with the removal of this pill if that could be a potential to happen again, and that's just something that's in the back of my mind.
Novartis says it discontinued manufacturing the drug due to lack of clinical benefit observed in early studies.
I would tell them that they don't know how big of an impact they're making by removing this pill, whether it's one person like myself or a million people that are on this trial.
Researchers and doctors have been working hard to find a solution for these patients.
It's obviously very, very difficult to think that, something that's benefiting someone would just stop. If I had complete control of that, that wouldn't happen.
I would like to think that if the head of the company or the person or persons committee that made the decision to discontinue this drug, that if you knew the stories, that if you saw my child, that you would think again.
I think that's what honestly is difficult, is because he's been through multiple therapies, and finally something not only seems to be working, but he seems to be tolerating it well.
No matter what happens, Josh remains positive.
To just live every day to the fullest, with a smile on your face, because there's nothing you can do besides treat it, and God's will is God's will.
The good news tonight, since we started asking questions, Novartis says it has found an additional limited supply of the drug, which could allow more time to determine an appropriate long-term treatment approach for the patient. The agency that conducts these trials is working to determine how much drug and how long it will last. But again, Novartis says it will not produce any more of the drug because it has not demonstrated efficacy in early clinical trials. Haley Hernandez, KPRC, Channel 2 News.